40 seconds. That's how long Elon Musk's Tesla Gigafactory reportedly takes to build a car. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on Tesla's most insane production speed yet, and what's fact, what's hype, and what this means for the future of cars, industry, and maybe even the entire global economy. From Ford's moving assembly line in 1913 to Tesla's gigapresses today, car production has always been about speed. But now Elon Musk claims that one of his factories is churning out cars at the jaw-dropping pace of 1 unit every 40 seconds. Is it hype? Is it real? And if it's true, how is Tesla doing it? It was a claim that ricocheted across the internet earlier this year, a headline almost too astonishing to be believed. Tesla builds a car in 40 seconds. The story spread like wildfire through tech blogs and financial news outlets, with some reports even attributing the statement directly to the company's enigmatic leader, Elon Musk. But as is often the case with such bold proclamations, the reality is a little more nuanced, yet no less impressive. The epicenter of this manufacturing earthquake was, of course, Tesla's sprawling Gigafactory in Shanghai, a facility that has become a symbol of the company's relentless ambition. Now, let's be precise. The claim wasn't for a fully finished vehicle ready to drive off the forecourt. What the reports were actually referring to was the production of a body in white. This is the raw, unpainted metal shell of the car, the fundamental skeleton, comprising the floor, the body sides and the roof, all welded together with robotic precision. It's the very first and arguably one of the most critical stages of vehicle assembly. It contains none of the seats, the dashboard, the complex wiring harnesses, or the thousands of other components that make a car whole. But to produce this intricate metal structure, a Model Y's entire frame, in under a minute? Well, that is a manufacturing cadence that borders on the revolutionary. To truly grasp the magnitude of this achievement, one must look at the established titans of the industry. Consider Ford, whose F-150 pickup truck is a legend of American manufacturing. Their highly optimized Dearborn plant produces one of these icons roughly every 53 seconds. Then there's Toyota, the company that literally wrote the book on efficient just-in-time production. Their global average hovers around one vehicle every 60 seconds. These are the benchmarks, the gold standards of automotive efficiency, honed over decades. And yet the data from Shanghai suggests Tesla is completing this crucial initial stage at a blistering 40 seconds. That's not just a marginal improvement, it's a quantum leap, a fundamental challenge to the old guard of the automotive world. So, what is the secret behind this manufacturing revolution? It isn't a single innovation, but a trifecta of audacious engineering principles that have fundamentally rewritten the rules of automotive production. First, the gigapress. These are behemoths of manufacturing, each the size of a small building, exerting up to 9,000 tons of clamping force. Molten aluminum is injected into a mold, and in seconds a complex component like the entire rear underbody is formed. Where traditional methods required welding and bonding as many as 70 individual pieces, the gigapress consolidates this into a single, elegant step. This radical simplification eliminates hundreds of robots and a significant portion of the factory floor. Secondly, a relentless pursuit of vertical integration. While most automakers rely on a vast network of suppliers, Tesla designs and manufactures critical components in-house. From battery cells and powertrains to the autopilot software and even the custom robotics. This gives them absolute control over their technology, allowing for rapid iteration. If a software update requires a hardware change, the teams are in the same building, not across continents. This creates a powerful feedback loop that accelerates innovation at a pace competitors struggle to match. Finally, this is all orchestrated through automation at an unprecedented scale. Inside a gigafactory, you witness a symphony of robotics. Hundreds of custom-designed robots perform a choreographed dance, lifting, welding and fastening components with a precision and speed beyond human capability. The factory itself becomes the machine, achieving a level of consistency and quality that a traditional assembly line can't, operating 24/7 with minimal downtime. The cumulative effect is transformative. Production is dramatically accelerated, costs are driven down by reducing complexity, and the quality of the final product is enhanced. With fewer parts and weld points, the vehicle's chassis is stronger, lighter, and less susceptible to the imperfections that can plague traditional manufacturing. Now, here we arrive at a fascinating intersection of statistical reality and marketing hyperbole. The headline-grabbing figure, a car every 40 seconds, has captured the public imagination. It conjures a powerful, almost fantastical image, a ceaseless torrent of gleaming finished Model Ys rolling off the production line, a veritable conveyor belt of dreams. However, the reality, while still deeply impressive, is rather more nuanced. That 40-second figure doesn't represent the birth of a complete vehicle. Instead, it's the takt time, the rhythmic pulse of the factory for one specific stage, the creation of the body in white. This is the car's raw, unpainted metal skeleton, formed in a breathtaking ballet of robotic arms and welding. This is the stage that completes every 40 seconds. From this point, the journey is a marathon, not a sprint. The body proceeds to the paint shop, a notoriously time-consuming environment. It undergoes a multi-stage process of cleaning, priming and applying several coats, each requiring time to cure for a flawless finish. Then comes general assembly, where the vehicle truly comes to life. Its complex nervous system, kilometers of wiring, is painstakingly threaded throughout the chassis. The powertrain and battery are married to the body. The cabin is meticulously fitted with the dashboard, seats and trim. Finally, the car undergoes a battery of digital checks. Its software is flashed, its sensors are calibrated, and every function is rigorously tested. This entire process takes many hours of meticulous work. So no, you can't order a Tesla and expect it to be ready in under a minute. The total lead time from the first stamp to final inspection is a significant portion of a day. But let us not diminish the achievement. In terms of that raw production cadence, Tesla's gigafactories are indeed rivaling, and in some cases surpassing, the fastest automotive plants on Earth, facilities that legacy automakers have spent a century perfecting. The 40-second milestone is a testament not just to speed, but to a fundamental rethinking of manufacturing logic. It is a powerful symbol of relentless innovation in a century-old industry. And here's the big picture. Tesla's production speed isn't just a bragging point. It's a direct challenge to legacy automakers. Faster production means lower costs, and lower costs mean Tesla can slash prices and still make a profit. That puts enormous pressure on Ford, GM, Toyota and Volkswagen. It also means Tesla can scale faster than ever before, potentially producing millions more EVs while rivals are still retooling factories. So, does Tesla really build a car every 40 seconds? Not exactly. But the truth is just as fascinating. Musk's gigafactories are rewriting the rules of manufacturing, and if rivals can't keep up, Tesla may dominate the future of cars. What do you think? Is this the beginning of the machine that builds the machine revolution Musk promised? Or just clever PR wrapped in futuristic robots? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories they don't want you to hear.